You already know what to do. What's holding you back isn't strategies and tactics. It's something else that controls 95% of your actions. So in this video, I'm going to show you how your subconscious mind is making you self-sabotage unconsciously, and a simple two-step approach you can start taking today to stop sabotaging yourself. Let's get started. Imagine there's a sharp knife pressed right against your throat and someone tells you to step forward. Would you do it? Of course not. Even if you tried, your body would instantly freeze, and every instinct will scream at you to not move. That's exactly how unconscious negative beliefs work. If deep down you believe stepping forward toward your goals is dangerous, your unconscious mind will do everything it can to stop you. That's self-sabotage. But understand this, your mind isn't sabotaging you to hurt you. It's doing it to keep you safe. So to clarify in this metaphor, the knife represents your negative belief. Stepping forward represents the necessary action needed to reach your goal. Now, how does this relate to you as a professional or an ambitious person? If you hold negative beliefs, whether you're aware of them or not about money, success, productivity, or your own worthiness, you will unconsciously block yourself from doing the very things you need to succeed. Because deep down, your unconscious mind believes that if I succeed, I'll die. That's when sabotage kicks in. Not because you're lazy or incapable, but because you're wired to protect yourself. This is why mastering any game, career, performance, or productivity is 80% inner game. That is beliefs and mindsets. And only 20% outer game. That is strategies and tactics. You could have the world's best strategies, tactics, and plans, but if you're unconsciously sabotaging yourself, none of that matters. So how do you stop self-sabotaging yourself and start effortlessly leveling up? Let me show you that next. Okay, first you have to realize that a belief is just that, a belief. It's not reality. The knife in front of your throat isn't even real. It's an illusion your unconscious mind created, all to keep you safe. Realizing this is your first step to freedom. Second, identify all the negative beliefs about money, success, or your ability to stay focused and perform. Do the following exercise. Here I have a list of bullet point statements. I don't have enough time. I don't have enough resources. I'm not good enough. Money is bad. I'm self-sabotaging myself. I don't have the network needed. Now for each of the statements, I want you to write two things. First, the lie you believe about the statements. And if you don't think you have any lies about this statement, try to come up with it anyways. And second, a truth that directly counters the lie. For example, let's say you're working with the statement, I'm self-sabotaging myself. You'd first write the lie you believe about the statement. It might be something like this. I'm sabotaging myself around making more money and success because deep down I'm a people pleaser. If I succeed, it will shine a spotlight on other people, making them uncomfortable about their own achievements. Therefore, I'll unconsciously self-sabotage myself to protect their feelings. Do you see now how sneaky self-sabotaging works? And yes, this is actually one of my personal examples. Next, we want to flip the script and write a truth that counters that lie. It could be something like this. How people feel about my achievements is none of my responsibility. I go for what I want proudly and unapologetically. People who become uncomfortable with my success probably aren't the kind of people I want around me anyways. The people I truly want in my life will celebrate my achievements and encourage me to share them. Now, I could talk about this for days, but this exercise alone is a powerful starting point. But if you're serious about not just planning, but completely transforming how you approach growth, then I want to invite you to explore something I've created. It takes everything we've talked about, inner game, outer game, daily structure, and turns it into a gamified, real-life progression system. Think of it as turning your life into a game you actually want to play and win, while staying aligned with your deepest purpose. That's where Level Life comes in. Here's how it works. This is the homepage of Level Life System. You can customize any and everything in this system. Like here, I have made my system based on the solo leveling theme. First up, you will get a status window, which you can use to track your levels, stats, ranks, gold balance, and progress just like in video game character. You can edit and change the image if you want. Next up is the enemies system. Bad habits, distractions, and weaknesses. They become enemies that you must defeat. Their HP reduces as you earn EXP. You can edit and add enemies as well. Then here you will see a few widgets and a vision board. You can use them or add more widgets to stay productive. Then next up is the class section. Here you can create your classes and subclasses. They are like areas of life you are leveling up. You can create as many of these as you want. You can change the images as well. and even set a particular goal for each class. Next up is the marketplace. This is like an inbuilt shop which you can use to buy rewards once you have enough gold to practice delayed gratification. You can edit the rewards and add as many of them as you like. When you click on purchase, your gold balance will get deducted and the item status will change. When you click on return, your gold balance will return to its previous state. Next up, we have the quest board. With this, you can turn every task into a quest. Completing it will give you XP according to difficulty settings. Here you can toggle the status of the quest, whether it is not started, in progress, on hold, or completed. Also, when you fail a quest, you will get negative EXP, reducing your level and rank. This feature is extremely useful for quitting bad habits. You can select a particular class for each quest. The current and goal feature works to show you the progress remaining for a quest. For example, if I have total 10 steps to complete for a quest, and you do like 5 of them, this progress bar will update. You can toggle the difficulty level of the quest with this button, and if you want to change the EXP earned or gold earned, simply click on what you want to change. You can also add a completion date for the quest. There is also an inbuilt automated daily quest system. First, you have to click on this blue button over here, select New Template, then fill all the details of the quest, then save it. Then click on the blue button again, click on 3 dots and select Repeat and Daily. With this, now this quest will be created every day and appear in your quest board. Check the link in description for the Level Life system. When you get this system, you will also receive a full, in-depth walkthrough and customization tutorial. This isn't just another productivity system. This is your new gamified reality. You don't need motivation anymore. Because now every grind session, every study session, feels like an actual level up. Now you have a system, a way to win. You can keep trying to force discipline with willpower, suffering through boring tasks with no sense of progress. Or you can activate your Level Life system and make real-life improvement feel as addictive as your favorite video game. You are not an NPC, you are the player. So, are you ready to level up?